Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone so results are meaningful. Charge to around 40 to 80%, update the operating system, and back up important data. Once done, make sure battery saver and extreme power modes are off, these skew readings. Next, open the built-in battery diagnostics or install a reputable diagnostic app. Permission prompts matter, so allow only battery and system access. This gets you into the measurement phase quickly, and it explains why we need accurate baseline conditions. You now run the detailed checks on the platform you use. On iPhone, go to Settings, Battery Health and Charging to read maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This shows where. On Android, open Settings, Battery Usage, or use the manufacturer's diagnostic tool to view charge cycles, temperature, and discharge graphs. If numbers look odd, use a trusted third-party app to read voltage and cycle count. This provides deeper insight into how the battery is aging and why performance changes occur. You finish by interpreting the metrics and taking action. Treat maximum capacity as the clearest wear indicator. Around 80% is when replacement is commonly recommended. Cycle count and temperature explain rapid decline. Once done, calibrate if numbers seem inconsistent by charging to full and discharging once, then check again. If data is missing or apps disagree, reboot the phone, try safe mode, and rerun diagnostics. If problems persist, visit an authorized service provider for hardware testing. This avoids unnecessary battery swaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.